Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville espresso machine. It comes to us with no pressure at all, and the customer mentioned he already replaced the water pump by himself. So when I plug the machine, it's right away trips the breaker, and also after I finish it there was like no pressure. And what was causing that, it's like the solenoid assembly, this one. But I don't know, maybe this water pump was like not good, because he replaced it with something that looks older to me. But yeah, and I replaced all these o-rings from on the boiler, on the hoses connected to here and to the other side, also to the boiler. And I find also leak in between the water pump and the pressure valve next to it, the overpressure valve. And so I just like tied it and fixed that leak after replacing the solenoid valve assembly. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot even in the time. I don't like to test the machines with a single shot basket, but this is what the customer have. So I'm gonna try. Let me see, I'm gonna test it from here, so and also he can later reprogram it if he don't like. Yeah, that works. I'm using super fine grind from, that's like for the other machines. Here is the pressure going up, but it's really slow because it's finer grind. It's not that grind for the Breville. So let me, okay. This is it. That works perfect. And that's just the hot water. And the steamer. That takes a bit until it gets hot. And that was also clogged, so I just unclogged it. And clean the machine as much as we can. You look how was the screws corroded. So I replaced some of them. So the machine works perfect. Thank you for watching. It's refilling. Yep, thank you.